Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I will like to show you the way how to post on a TikTok for everyone to see. So if you are starting to play with the TikTok and start to create some video, you must watch this video tutorial to help you understand more. So how to do that, just open the TikTok application, and right after that, of course, whenever you open it, there will be like sent you into the last segment that you open the TikTok. And here is my last segment is in a home, so I'm in our home sections right now. So if you want to create or post the content for everyone to see, let's just jump into the video. Go click this plus button right away, and then you will have an access into the TikTok camera, and then you just need to pick the picture, or you can also take a video here. You can use the effects, or if you already have the video, you just need to go click upload and pick the video that you want to upload on the TikTok. And whenever you're done, let's just record it first. Let's say here I already take the video that I want to post, and then you just need to click this checklist button. Here I will let you click off the sound, and right after that you just need to go click next. So this is the key. If you want to make this post can be seen by everyone, you have to take a look on this side. Here is for the caption. If you want to tag someone, there will be like an options here. If you want to add the location, you can also tap here. But if you want to make this content able to be seen by everyone, you need to take a look on this part. Everyone can view this post. Make sure that you have this before you post the video on your TikTok account. If you have no information about this, you just need to go click tap on this, and you'll see there will be an everyone, friends, and only you. Only you mean private. Friends means that you only post this video for the account that you follow and follow you back. And here, make sure that you pick the everyone, so that the account that follow you or the account that don't follow you or doesn't follow you, they will able to see this content, and you just need to click post right away, and that is done. So that is the way how to post the content on a TikTok for everyone to see. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.